Kuringana na mutaratara uria urutetwo ni Minister wa utamburukia wa mahinya Mwangi wa Kĩonjũri, Gavana wa Machakos Alfred Mutua na murunawe wa Mandera Ali Roba nio magakorwo maria mbere kwihitithio muthenya wa kana kiumia giki magongona-ini maria magekirwo king'ang'a-ini. Gavana muthure wa Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Sonko akehitithio ni Jaji David Majanja mweri 21 kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Park. Gavana muthure wa Mombasa Ali Hassan Joho ehitithio ni Jaji Weldon Korir mweri 22 kiharo-ini kia Mama Ngina Drive. Gavana muthure wa Nakuru Lee Kenyanjui ehitithio ni Jaji Justus Bonuoga mweri 21 kiharo-ini kia Nakuru Showground. Gavana muthure wa Githumo Anyang' Nyong'o ehitithio ni Jaji Dora Chepkwony mweri 21 kiharo-ini kia Jomo Kenyatta Sports Ground. Na magavana acio angĩ athure makehitithio iharo-ini itiganite kaunti-ini ciao. Kĩonjũri nĩoigĩte magavana aria marehera wabici ni megũthukirio kĩondo gĩa kũinũka nakĩo ni thirikari ya bũrũri.
The ministry has also prepared a package containing all the devolution laws and policies that will be presented to each governor during the swearing-in ceremony as a gesture of goodwill from the Cabinet Secretary on behalf of the national government.
No ona kuri uguo magavana aria maragumeirwo ni ciiko cia ungumania no meguthie na mbere na guthuthurio ona thutha wa kwehera wabici-ini.
The law is clear. They were not answering those questions as individuals. They were answering as governors responsible of their counties. If there is any allegation, corruption or any other allegation, they must continue answering those questions, and the law must take its course. So there is nothing that stops the parliamentary committee going ahead to summon them. They will be summoned as the holders of that office, not as individuals.
Ihinda-inĩ riu mutari wa mutongoria wa bũrũri maũndũ-inĩ megie watho Abdikadir Mohamed nĩoigĩte no itua rĩa igoti rĩngĩrũgamia kwĩhĩtithio kwa gavana o wothe.
The election petition for the president doesn't take office until it's concluded. That's not the case for governors or members of parliament or senators. They assume office unless a court says otherwise.
Miario ya Abdikadir yukite orere uria urahotirwo giturwa kia ugavana kaunti-ini ya Ebule ni Kivuti erekeire igoti-ini akiregana na maumirira ma githurano. Kurekererio kwa mutaratara wa kwihitithio kwa magavana eru gukite muthenya umwe tu thutha wa ruhonge rwa igoti kuheana maritwa ma majaji na acirithania aria makamehitithia. Itanya inene riri gutigirira mirutire wira ya thirikari cia county ndi na fasha orere bũrũri wetereire kwĩhĩtithio kwa mũtongoria wa bũrũri Uhuru Kenyatta. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kĩmemia wa Mwangi.